today I'm at Roundbush, one of the other Jameson farms. I'm your Mike Thomlinson on the Buckrake, and we also have a roller tractor today. So I filmed Mike quite a few times in the past there. Nice lad. He's always getting a new tractor, so maybe this is a new one, I don't know. It's probably a 22. But at least it's a bit sheltered in here from the wind, which isn't too bad. I'll get a few of the tractors come in to unload. Another 22 plate John Deere 6155R. It's a big heavy crop, and hasn't had a lot of time to wilt, to be honest. The weather's not been too great, but it should make good silage. It's got additive going on, so it should be okay. So they're making a tidy job of the shear grab, and they're taking the silage out. It is a 22 plate, that one, just a new one. Don't know how long he keeps his John Deeres. It's 2 or 3 years possibly. Another 6155R. So it's not surprising that the 6155R will be the biggest seller in the John Deere range. I expect Graham Ray mostly deals with bailey trailers, has done for a good number of years. Must find them okay, good. So they've just had a big expansion on the dairy herd behind me here. Always like to ask if I can film that, so maybe another day when I've got more time. Hoping to go to another farm after this, over at Ecclefechan. I'm quite sure I was on with that young lad last year at Justin Lee's. So this is where the silage is made in the pit. If you just dump it and don't roll it and make a good job of it, a lot goes to waste. Well, here we have the Marshall with the Massey Ferguson on a 21 plate. 6715S, probably a farm tractor I would think, Jameson's, not so sure, it certainly could be anyway. So it's only one Buckrake boy today and one guy, the roller tractor there. Anyway, there's no roof to worry about. We have a silage pit with a roof at the other farm at Woodhead. So I'll just see this one emptied, then I'll go. I'm going to take a few photographs now.